What's good, everyone? It's August 1st. Yeah, this year's been going by fast. But I'm here for my journal. I didn't actually really trade, so actually it's another journal. And I didn't trade because I kind of decided in the morning at 7 a.m. I wanted to trade. I ended up being down $460-ish. And then 8:30 I knew there was news. So I was like, alright bro, I'm just going to gamble news. I didn't realize Top Step doesn't let you do that. Which is probably a good thing because I would have probably lost my account. So I gambled news, and as soon as I clicked the gamble button, like not the gamble button, but you know what I mean, I pressed the button, it liquidated my account, but it somehow made me profit like $100. So right now I'm only down like $360 for today. And as you can see, I only have about $694 worth of room. And tomorrow I know I'm going to catch a W trade because when I actually lock in, like I don't lose. Recently, I've just not been locked in. That's why I've been kind of losing because I have work and shit. But tomorrow is my last day of work, and if I lose tomorrow, that's gonna be because of my work. I literally have to look at my phone screen, and there's just not enough data that I can check on my phone. I can't switch back and forth to ES and NQ and check for SMT. Like it's just hard on my phone, you know. So that's why I've kind of been trading like absolute dog shit in the month of July. But I'm telling you right now, bro. As soon as I get back on my computer, which is going to be next week, you're about to see me pop off next week. I hope you know that. I'm calling it right now. Alright. But this is kind of like a daily bias video. So, not daily bias. Well, kind of daily bias for tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday. I just want you all to take a look at what happened here, okay? I called this to the tick. Everything that happened this week, I called it. If you go to my weekly, like on Monday or something, I don't know if it was on Monday. I think it was. The start of this week, I said I would like price to go up into at least this order block right here before we dump all the way down. I wanted to see this day happen, this manipulation happen, because I knew it would happen. I called it so confidently. I was like, I would at least like to see price go up to here, and then we go all the way down. What happened? Exactly that happened, okay? like bro, I make these markets. So if you're not subscribed, bro, come on, you're missing out. But anyways, 4 hour. Actually, no, let's look at the weekly. I already know what's gonna happen tomorrow. Tomorrow, you can see it's Friday, so this weekly candle is gonna close. Weekly candle, I don't think it'll close like this, and we're also in a weekly order block. It'll end up showing some sort of respect and have a pullback because it is also Friday. So power of 3 is gonna be in effect. So that's why I am also saying it's going to be going up. Also, daily liquidity just got swept. This daily low, boom, swept right there. It's not just going to show no reaction. It's either going to consolidate or have a pullback up and like go up into some PD array on a shorter time frame. 4 hour time frame. So, tomorrow I don't think it's going to be a very hectic day. I think it's going to be a slow day. It might even just be a consolidation day. So, if it isn't like a slow day and doesn't consolidate, I think we have the potential to go at least up into here within this fair value gap somewhere. I'm going to delete this green line because I don't know really what it is. On the 1 hour, let's check this out. If we are to analyze what happened today, we draw out this. 50% above it is this fair value gap. So we definitely have the potential to go up into premium so more smart money could get in. But is that realistically going to happen, a pullback all the way up in here? Let's look at the weekly and decide. Is that realistic? Hell no, that's not realistic because that would mean that the weekly candle will close out bullish. That is not going to happen. So low-key tomorrow, I'm just calling a consolidation day. I don't even think there's going to be a pullback or anything. There might be a small little pullback like up to here, like this daily candle's low. But that's probably going to be pretty much it. It's not going to go much higher than that. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm low-key gonna get funded with 1 of 1 this August, like as soon as I get off of work, because with the 10% drawdown, bro, and making 8% and 6% in the second stage, bro, or 5%, whatever it is, I know I could do that consistently. It'll just take me a little bit, like probably the whole month. I know I could pass the 6K account though. It's light, because bro, I know I am not about to lose 10%. There is no way. But yeah, first couple of trades, I'm gonna try risking 2% on that account. And if I win, I'm going to keep risking 2% so I get to that 8% mark quicker. If I lose my first trade, I'll add 2%. I'm just going to go with 1% risk for the rest of the account. because I know I'm not about to lose 10%, bro. But yeah, thanks for watching. Tomorrow it should be a bullish day, but hold on, I wanna try to go on 15. There's really nothing here actually to watch. Actually, this does. If you look at this, consolidation, right? Consolidation, manipulation into the daily low. What's next? Distribution up until like right here, 0.5 area. I really do believe that's gonna happen. So yeah, just watch out for that. That's I'm literally telling you what's about to happen tomorrow. So yeah, lock in, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.